Hello everyone, this video is gonna be a surgery project video and our topic is aseptic and antiseptic techniques for wound dressing. History of this topic, so the Joseph Lister, and he is also known as the father of modern surgery. He told us that we have to prevent the infection of bacteria in open wound. Is the asepsis. Asepsis is the prevention of the infection, especially the bacterial infection in the wound. Antiseptic material on the wound, and that will decrease the growth of that bacteria or the fungus. Generally used in our hospital, in our daily life, like different kind of the alcohols, aseptic creams as well.
Some of the antiseptic techniques to follow in wound dressing in order to eliminate germs and to prevent contamination are: Step 1. Hand washing. Hand washing is one of the most important steps to prevent the spread of microorganisms. Hands should be washed thoroughly with soap or alcohol can also be used. Step 2. Wearing masks. Disposable surgical masks are to be worn by the healthcare professional while performing the wound dressing. The purpose of this wearing surgical mask is to provide protection for the patient to prevent from wound infection, and it is also used to protect the healthcare staff or professional to protect from contamination. Step 3. Placement of equipment. Healthcare professional must prepare the sterilizing instrument or equipment before the procedure, keeping it inside a plastic wrapper to prevent contamination before use. All these sterilizing equipments like sterilized gloves, forceps, scissors, etc. should be placed on the sterilized table.
Step 4. Wear gloves. Pick up the glove for dominant hand by touching the inside cuff of the glove. Do not touch the outside of the glove. Pull the glove completely over the dominant hand. Step 5. Sterile field. Don't cough, sneeze, laugh over the sterile field. Maintain the safe place. It is a set of location around the patient where the only sterile things can be placed. Make sure not to touch anything directly with your hands. Always use the forceps. Discard the used equipment in the trash. Keep distance between your body and the equipment. Now we are discussing the essential maintaining and aseptic fields involves. Keep the door closed, minimize the movement in and out of this aseptic field. Discard the gauze into the waste bag after the use. Never return used products in the sterile fields unless the procedure completed. If the sterile instrument falls on the ground and the vapor substance damage, the healthcare professional must remove the instrument and sterile it before the use.
Now step 6. Preparing the wound for cleaning. We have to use a normal saline solution, and we have to clean the wound properly, especially at the corners of the wound and the skin around the wound. Now gently pat dry the wound edges unless the wound should be covered with a wet to dry dressing. Dry only the surrounding skin. Now we can cover the wound with the bandage. So these were some steps that we should use while doing aseptic and antiseptic techniques in a wound dressing. So thank you so much for watching.